This one is your laptop battery, and it is like this, and it is getting discharge very fast. So this is another battery. The problem is happening, it is only just working and immediately discharging. So I open this one, it is like this. Remove the cover, then you will found there is inside the batteries. Just check these batteries. See, it is showing about how much, 3.9 volt. Same here, 3.9 volt. And the third battery, you can see here, it is showing only 1.26 volt. So this battery is getting discharged very fast. The problem is, only when you want to replace these two cells, then battery will be fine. Other these four cells are okay. These two cells also, when you disconnect this one from the connections, also you can see maybe only one cell is damaged, other is good. But when you want to repair or replace, only change that battery which is very low. So this means is getting discharged very fast. Because of that, other these three batteries are in series. So that's why your laptop immediately getting shut down, because one cell is not good. So the voltage cannot transfer from here to here. This is getting discharged very fast. So that's why is this problem. And you can replace this battery, only this one. So how to replace this one? If you have spare cells like this, you can easily get from the market. Well and good, you can get. Otherwise, what to do? Just any power bank, uh, which is very cheaper than the original battery. Buy that power bank, any power bank, and you can open and take the battery from there and replace it. One more thing is how to check the which battery is good. If battery weight is very less, size is okay, volt is okay, but weight is very less, so this means this physical value is less, so it is not long lasting. So always compare with the quality by the product trademark or the company name. Otherwise, physically, if the weight is less, don't use that battery. That battery is not good. Only if the weight is good, compared by the weight also, different way. Anyhow, brand name is there, then you can check. Otherwise, take from the power bank if you know this is working well. So easily open this one and replace this battery, and then your laptop battery will be okay.